Welcome to our video about the top 5 keyword research tools for SEO. In this presentation, we will explore the importance of keyword research and its impact on search engine optimization.
Google Keyword Planner is an excellent tool offered by Google that allows you to discover keyword ideas, search volumes, and competition levels. It helps you find relevant keywords to optimize your website and improve SEO.
SEMrush is an all-in-one SEO suite that offers comprehensive keyword research, competitor analysis, and many other SEO features. It empowers you to find profitable keywords, analyze competitors' strategies, and optimize your website accordingly.
Ahrefs is a top-notch SEO tool known for its in-depth keyword research capabilities, backlink analysis, and rank tracking features. It helps you identify low-competition keywords, analyze competitors' backlinks, and track your website's rankings over time. Moz Keyword Explorer is a user-friendly tool designed to assist with keyword research and SERP analysis. With its intuitive interface, it helps you find valuable keywords, understand search engine result pages, and optimize your SEO efforts accordingly.
Longtail Pro is a specialized tool that focuses on long-tail keyword research, competitive analysis, and content optimization. It assists in finding profitable long-tail keywords, understanding competition, and optimizing content for better search engine rankings.
In conclusion, selecting the right keyword research tool is crucial for effective SEO strategies and improving website rankings. Consider your specific requirements, budget, and desired features when choosing from these top 5 tools to optimize your SEO efforts.